7. Like us on Facebook.
That's right. Just check us out, www.facebook.com/ShakiesVLeague.
That's right. And of course, all the fans are waving to all of us. And let me turn you over now to Rina Villamor for a courtside update.
Yes, guys. Let me just share with you the secret of Ateneo to being on top. Now, aside from being intact, just as you guys mentioned earlier, they're also a team pure with key players just like Alisa Valdez, who is, according to the coaching staff, such an inspiration for them. Dahil nga sabi dito ni Coach Carlito Paz, she is a player who has this never say die attitude. Kailangan daw na smart niya at dictate niya ang tempo in this ball game. Now, according to Coach Carlito Paz, they have to forget that first set. They have to learn from it. They have to relax, focus, and get their game going. Meanwhile, for the Air Force team, it's all about consistency and to improve on their blocking. Back to you guys.
All right, thank you, Rina. Oh, nice block by Semana and Maizo. And poor floor coverage from Ateneo.
But this,
Semana actually with her right hand taking, playing that down the line hit pretty well, huh?
Kainglet gets another try. She changes it this time with the drop ball. Yan naman, makikita mo the variation.
Yes.
In Kainglet's offense.
Well, she saw that Ami Guangco, who just served, hindi pa nakakabalik dun sa pwesto. Ateneo with the lead 9-8. The Mikasa MVA 300 is the new official game ball of the Shakey's V-League Season 8. More intense rallies, more thrills. The Mikasa MVA 300. No touch on the block?
None. And you see that the Philippine Air Force, the effort is really there to keep it at the same pace as Ateneo. Hindi nagpapalayo ng score, and it's very important. Meanwhile, for Ateneo, we have their Alisa Valdez, but
outside.
That was a long one.
Pero yung power na...
Tsaka kita mo yung twist ng katawan. She really wanted to bring the ball to her left.
Sayang lang, talagang wide, ano? At maganda rin naman yung basa ng Air Force. Just letting it fly, and Aiza Maizo with a service ace. 11-9.
And you see the Lady Eagles regrouping a while ago. Let's see what they can do this time around.
Oh, good save from Ferrer. Let's see if they can put it back, and they do. But no one down the line.
That's the point.
Jem Ferrer, well, credit half of that point to Jem for saving it and having the instinct to just push it to the back. Makatangay, dug up by Valdez from the back. It's Phil. Manzano, good dig.
You can't, how can you handle that kind of attack?
And Cherry Makatangay just saying, ano pa ako nito, 10 years old.
Oo, alam ko na to. Kaya nga pa nag-approach siya. Parang simple lang. Ganito lang. Doesn't exert as much effort even in jumping.
I know, but yung effectiveness, yung percentage ng atake, ang taas pa rin.
That's right.
This time, they get it through the block. The Air Force up by 1, 12-11. And we'd like to greet, of course, Anne from our crew here. Happy birthday to Wilson Dodong Dikembe Latombo. And of course, advance happy birthday.
Parang screen name lang yun.
Oo, to Gorio. Ito pa, the Trakenya.
Oo, yan ang mga screen name.
Happy birthday to you guys from all of us here in the panel. 12-all. Look at this, Alisa Valdez. Everyone expecting a power hit coming from her. Ayun, hindi binantayan. Wendy Semana. Ateneo getting the serve back, down by 1, 13-14.
Valdez with the serve. Excellent serve there by Valdez.
Ami Guangco, kita mo naman, loading it up.
And Phil! Whenever she gets a set that's really close to the net, you can expect it. It's gonna be a sharp attack.
Plus, it was only Manzano there, you know, to really block her. Ayan, bukas na bukas for Phil.
Ang ganda.
14 all. Alyssa Valdez, another excellent serve. They go back to Cherry, down the line to Lazaro.
Again, the efficiency of Makatangay is still there. She's in her A game today.
Look at that, C-Mac. This time, back set, down the line. Wow,
mahirap yun.
Mahirap yun.
Kailangan yung precision nung palo mo. Otherwise, it could just easily go out.
And sometimes by choosing that down the line angle, nababawasan yung power nung palo eh.
Kasi direction.
But not Cherry. And now they get the lead. They race to the second technical timeout with the lead, 16-14. Again, to remind you, they won the first set, so let's see what happens here in set number 2.
It's perfect.